Okay, could you remind me your first and last name, please?
Felix.
Okay, Felix.
Yeah,
Low.
Felix Low. Yeah.
I'm Cyril, nice to meet you. We are in the Cayman GTS for 5 laps, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just a quick reminder about the briefing, okay? I'm here to help you to go faster as you can, okay? Maybe more than you expect. But the key and the most important, you have to be smooth, okay? Smooth with your hand and the wheel drive, and smooth with the throttle, okay? On the track, it's super easy because we have set up some cones on each turn, okay? Like they told you, you have 2 orange cones, is the braking zone. Okay, we are full throttle, we brake from the orange one all the way to the first green one. Okay, straight.
Orange to green.
Yeah, all the way. When you are at the green one, you start to turn in and you release the brake. And you balance the car to the apex. Okay, you clip the apex and from here we start to unwind the wheel and same time you squeeze the throttle all the way to the exit. Okay, the exit is the last green cone, the third one. Okay, it's really important to look where you want to go. It means when you brake, start to look the apex, and when you are at the apex, look the exit. It helps a lot. Okay, because your hands follow your eyes.
So apex, and then look where you want to go.
Yeah, every time. When you brake, look the apex because you have to go there. When you are at the apex, look the exit.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. One cone earlier every time.
Okay. So brake apex, and then at the apex, where the exit is.
Yeah, you have the first green one, you brake all the way to the first green one. From here you release the brake, you turn all the way to the apex, the one cone up, one cone down. At the apex, you start to unwind the wheel and you go all the way to the exit. Okay? The mirrors are weird, they are setting for me. If somebody arrives behind and they want to pass, I will put the hazard light and my hand here. But just in case, you keep the control. Okay? They pass, and I say, okay, you can follow him. Or if I say wait, it can be 2 cars. Okay? And if we are faster than the other one, this is the goal. Okay? When we arrive behind the car, we wait about the lights. My hand is here, but same, just in case. You keep the control and you follow my instruction. I will say, okay, we pass on the right or we pass on the left. Make sense?
Yes.
Do you want to use the paddle or automatic?
I'll use the paddles.
Okay. Upshift on the paddle turn with the wheel drive, okay? Upshift on the right, downshift on the left.
So
okay?
Just 2 fingers it is?
Yeah, 1 or 2 up to you. Yeah, it's really sensitive.
Okay.
And if you don't like it, if you want to go back in automatic, just let me know. Because the Porsche, the automatic mode is really, really good. Okay? Do you have any question?
No, not really.
Okay.
Ready
to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. You push here all the way down and one time close to you and we go in the middle.
This way?
Yeah. Just there.
How many horsepower does this car have?
This one I think 320 or something, 380.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, the handling is really good. It's the best car to learn.
Oh, nice.
You see the 2 purple cones?
Yeah.
We stop in the middle to make a brake test. Okay, go and brake strong. Yeah, just to feel the pressure. And we go there and we stop again at the green flag. The good distance between the cones and you is about 2-3 feet, no more. Okay? And so stop again, yeah. And when we are on the track, if I say unwind, of course it's unwind the wheel. And if I say squeeze, I need more gas. Okay? And for the brake, I say brake. If I say more, I need more pressure. Okay?
Got it.
Ready to go?
Yeah, ready.
Allez, next step, we go to the green cone.
Alright. We just go?
Yeah, you can go and you can upshift one time. Perfect. Here we go to the apex. And here the exit is on the left. This is why you have to stay on the paint. Okay? A little bit the gas, all the way to the green one. Perfect. More. And now you back on the right, you clip the apex and you unwind the wheel. Unwind. You have to use 100% of the track. Okay? Now you can go.
Let's go for it.
Upshift. And here we brake more. Don't shift one time. Release the brake. Breathe. Here we go to the apex and after we go directly to the 2 red ones on the right. Okay? And you can squeeze all the way to those ones. And you brake straight. Perfect. You release the brake, apex, and from here we unwind and we squeeze the throttle all the way to the exit. Allez, squeeze more. Yeah, perfect. And back on the left. Allez, upshift. Perfect. Allez, brake straight, don't shift one time. Release the brake, apex. You have to turn a little bit too much. Perfect. Back on the throttle. And here we go to the red one. Turn more. Yeah, perfect. Allez, upshift.
Yeah?
Yeah, upshift one time. Upshift. Yeah. No, upshift. You want to try in automatic?
Yeah, let's try that.
You will see it's really perfect.
Yeah.
Allez, full throttle to the next one. Okay.
Full throttle?
Yeah, we go there, close to the cone. From here, we go to those cones. You balance the car inside, turn in, clip the apex, perfect, and back on the throttle. Allez, push the gas all the way to the exit. More gas, more. Yeah, good job. Don't touch it. Stay on in automatic. Okay. Allez, we brake more. Release the brake, look where you want to go. Allez, back on the throttle, little bit the gas, and try to stay on the paint. More gas, more. Stay. You have to be closer to the
that
gear.
one. Oh, okay.
Allez, now push the gas and unwind. Allez, full throttle.
Good. And then
Yeah. Try to look far. It's really easier.
Okay, yeah.
Allez, full throttle. Allez, go. More. And brake. Perfect. Brake more. Release the brake, release, apex, and look the red one. Allez, back on the throttle. Squeeze the throttle, squeeze. Perfect. Squeeze more. And brake strong. Perfect. You don't brake enough. Allez, back on the throttle. Allez, unwind and squeeze the throttle. Squeeze the throttle. Squeeze. Perfect. Back on the left. Allez, full throttle. Go. Allez, brake more. Perfect. Release the brake, release. Apex, back on the throttle slowly, yeah. All the way to the left and full throttle. Allez, gas. More. Keep. Little bit the brake, release the brake, release. Apex, and here we go directly to the last green one, straight, yeah, like this. And brake hard. Brake more. Release the brake, go to the cone. Balance the car inside, turn in. Allez, back on the gas. Throttle. Push the throttle. Allez, full. All right. Yeah, perfect. Allez, full. And brake hard. Brake more. Release the brake. Release. Apex. Allez, stay on the paint. Stay. Yeah, and back on the right, and now push the gas. Push. Not too much. And go. It's okay. Full throttle. I'm here. Go. Allez, full throttle. You can put the gas, but you have to unwind a little bit more. Okay?
Okay.
This is why we slide a little. Allez, release the brake. Apex, look where you want to go, to the red one. Squeeze the throttle to the red one. Squeeze. And brake hard. Yeah, release the brake, apex. You have to look far, okay? Unwind and squeeze. Unwind. Yeah, perfect. If you unwind, you can back on the throttle earlier. Allez, brake strong, brake hard, perfect. Release the brake, release. Turn in, turn more. You are too far. Okay, allez, back on the left. Yeah, allez, squeeze the gas. Little bit the brake, release. Apex, turn more. Allez, full gas, yeah. Straight. And brake more. Yeah, go to the cone. Release the brake, turn in. Allez, back on the gas, back. Full. You unwind. Allez, brake hard. Look where you want to go. Perfect. Stay on the paint, a little bit more gas, more. And back on the right. Allez, turn in. Allez, back, unwind. Allez, gas. Don't turn too much, okay? You have to use all the track. It's better. Allez, full. Allez, brake. Perfect. Release the brake. Release. Apex, look where you want to go. Allez, back on the throttle. Gas. More. And brake hard. Brake more. Yeah, release the brake. Perfect. Look where you want to go. Allez, unwind. Gas. Perfect. Yeah, really good.
Okay.
This is what I want.
Okay, got it.
Allez, brake hard. Release the brake. Turn in, turn more. No, too early. You see now? Yeah, the problem normally we have to be there, okay? Keep it, turn more, and straight to the green one. Straight to the green. Perfect, good. And brake hard. Release the brake, go to the cone. Turn in, balance the car. Allez, back on the gas. Allez, gas and unwind. Allez, go. Yeah, perfect. Not too much. Yeah, perfect. Allez, brake hard. Look where you want to go. Release the brake. Allez, apex, stay on the paint, stay, back on the right, turn more, and gas now, yeah.
Gas now.
Yeah. You have to turn a little bit, and after you open the wheel drive, okay? Allez, brake, perfect, brake more, release the brake, release, look where you want to go. Allez, back on the throttle, gas to the red one, squeeze, and brake hard, yeah, release the brake, apex, back on the throttle, and we will pass away. Oh, allez, go, full throttle, sorry. Brake, release the brake, release, wait, turn more, allez, back on the throttle, gas. You see what I want? This is
oh, it's not close.
Brake a little bit, release, turn in, and full throttle. Release, allez, brake hard. And I'm sorry, it's already 5 laps.
almost got it.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Love it.
There. Yeah, you did really well at the end.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
I think I just got the hang of the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like the guy said.
Yeah, and it's not the problem. 5 laps is super short.
Yeah, it's very
We
short.
go close to the GT3 in the
Yeah.
middle, yeah, behind the R8.
Awesome. Well, I passed the Lamborghini, so
Yeah.
that's awesome. Thank you.
Okay, and stop the car. Perfect. Okay, and turn the wheel all the way to the left. No, don't stop
Left.
the engine. Yeah, left.
Like that.
Yeah, more, all the way. Yeah, more. Okay, and release the brake. Perfect. Yeah, you did really well. Just sometimes you see when we slide, it's not because I say back on the throttle and squeeze the throttle, but it's really good. You squeeze. It's not the problem. Not the don't come from the gas. The problem come from the wheel drive.
Oh.
Because you have too much angle, and this is why the car do like this.
So I should
Normally, yeah, when you are at the apex, you have to turn a little bit before the apex, and after the apex, you have to go all the way to a straight line. And sometimes after the apex, you want to stay inside, and you back on the throttle. This is why sometimes the car want to slide.
Okay. Oh, so it's
Yeah, normally you have to turn, and at the apex, in fact, when you are like this, normally you don't have any gas. And from here to here is like a 0 to 100%.
Oh, so also that's how you
Yeah.
turn. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Awesome.
But to be honest, a really good job.
Oh, thank you.
You have any question?
No, it's awesome. Thank you.
Okay, I stop the video. Good.